Hello, welcome to Bell CB. Today we're looking at a Galaxy DX-2547. This is for Cliff in Maine, and it's a tune-up report for us. Cliff, looking at 10 watts across the top scale there. Just a touch over 5. I bring that down. We can go down to 1 and up to 5 for AM power. Peak reading meter 50 watts, 20 and 30s right there in the middle.
Audio check 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 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 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 1 2 3 4 5.
And we'll try some sideband.
Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check 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 check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check check check. Audio check 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 1 2 3 4 5. Audio.
There we go. I'm out at channel 19. Can you tell me if my radio's alright? I appreciate all 3 of you. Thank you very much. Have a fine day. We're back out.